So we're going to do a little bit of pruning on a couple of our semi-dwarf trees here. The honeygold, so here's that one that broke off. The deer are hard on this thing. And the stems that go in like this, we also want some scions for the graft. And so, like here's a stem that goes in, that we're trying to keep the inside of the tree. And we try to cut them right close to the collar. You may have to get that. And then up here in the top, let's see, there are some of these that are growing in this, yeah, like that. So these, and then this is too long to fit in there in our bag. So we'll just cut it in half. And then we'll label this one with our
I got the stick in there.
Yeah, this is kind of not a very good tree.
It produces apples though.
Yeah, it does. There's another one over here. Let's go look at it. Let's go over and take a look. We're just getting a few ones for if we do some grafting. Now this one's got a lot of interior branches that really look poor, like this thing here coming up from down here.
Yeah,
that's got a lot of grafting stock on it. But have you got your clipper? I'll take it off here.
Watch your head.
This has got, she wanted about it. We'll get some different sized ones. This is all new growth kind of, so it's okay. So for the scions, that's enough. Let's just take a few of these interior ones that are growing towards each other. See, like this thing is growing up.
Yeah, I don't think I could get through that one though.
Yeah, I should bring a
bigger clippers.
Yeah, the loppers. Actually, I should go get those, shouldn't I?
Yeah, for the bigger ones.
Here, I'll go get those. I'll give the camera a break. Yeah, that one's going over the other one, so we'll take it off down here. And these here are one's dead. That one there is okay. This one here is
just a new one.
Yeah. So I need to try to take. Maybe I can't get at it.
This back one, I think I can reach it from the side.
Yeah. And then that one there, next to it, is going up, crossing the. Yeah. There's the dead one. Well, let's see. Right? This one in here, that's okay. If I were up there, I think I'd take off a few of those top ones because I don't really want the tree that. Then we'll put some wet paper towels in there and put them in the bottom of the refrigerator so they will have a place. Now we bought some little trees, which I can't remember what we bought. These little ones that...
They're, I think, mostly mutsus.
Yeah, they were $12, $10 each. So we will just let them see if they made it another year. We planted them last spring. So I'm going to set this down over here. I brought our Greenworks pole saw because there's a big tree branch down that's in this other tree. So I'm going to see if I can't get it out of here. I didn't charge the battery up, so we'll see how that goes. Where was I cutting it off? Here. Oh, here. Now we'll take off some more of it. The chain is getting loose.
It moves in.
Yeah. Well, we get this one cut and I'll go tighten it. I'll cut a few more branches, let it come down. Go around the other side. Quite a bit of it up in the tree, isn't it?
Yeah, maybe lop off a little bit.
And then I won't be able to reach it. Here, here, I'll set this down. Oh, I made some scars on the tree.
Boy, that tree's a lot cleaner now.
There's still dead stuff in there. See now, some of that may or may not be dead up there. We'll let it grow and see what happens. Do you see the...
Yeah, there's definitely one branch up top. This looks...
Yeah, see, some of this is dead. But some of it might be. We'll probably see when it starts growing.
Yeah, you can see this branch here is...
That's all molded, yeah. It's the chain's going to come off. Yeah, both of these trees are dying. The top of that one looks pretty bad
Yeah.
too.
When do you suppose these were planted?
I think these are newer ones, like 30 years maybe. Hard to say. Dad grafted a bunch, planted a row right here, too tight together.
Yeah.
Was going to move them later, but he didn't. So here's a dead one. Yep, the chain came off.
All right.
I knew I should have tightened it.